If you are looking for something super simple and super easy to achieve, this airdrop style is definitely for you. Hello everyone, welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this tutorial, I am going to be showing you how you can make use of your jersey material. So this yellow material you are seeing on my screen right now that I put from front to back is actually a jersey material. It's kind of like stretchy, like a t-shirt material. So I take it from front to the back and I just cross it at the back. I did it around my hair in such a way that my hair is showing at the back. If you're having a ponytail, you can actually cover it up or use something to make the back puffy. But because I want to leave my braids out, I don't have to do that. I just walk around my braid at the back and I bring it forward and give it one quick knot at the side of my head. And then I have another fabric. It's kind of like a stretchy fabric. I'm not really sure, like a polyester fabric. I'm not really sure what the material is, so I just cross it in front at the side and then I braided the three long ends together. So I have two long ends for the yellow, I have one long end yellow, and then the other fabric with pattern has two ends. So I just do like a nice neat braid of the scarf, and then I have one short end of the yellow dangling at the side of my hair, which I can use to achieve many things, like use it to make a rose, use it to make a ruffle. But you will see what exactly I want to do with that. I don't really want to make a rose, so I just decided to twist both ends together. And guys, it is as simple as that. And all I did here is to tuck in the ends, and voila, you are done. So try and tuck it in as much as you can. My goal here is not to use a pin. I just want to make it a very simple everyday airdrop style. You can tie to work, you can tie to church, to outing, and you will look amazing. And guys, that's it. So to cover up and beautify it more, I just added a brooch. Isn't this beautiful? Very easy and very simple to achieve airdrop style. Let me know what you think with this airdrop style, guys. Like, this airdrop style is super easy, guys. I change my earring and boom, you have it. A very easy to achieve airdrop style. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to learn more, I have over 150 simple airdrop tutorials that you can check out on my page. I have a playlist dedicated for these airdrop styles, guys. And don't forget to give me a follow if you haven't shared this with somebody. I love you all.